This is the produce that I consume in a week, plus the bulk items that you'll see. Of course, the queen of my nutrition is hemp. I have some dates in the fridge, raw almond butter, some mangoes for tropical salad, basil, small bananas. I'm going to make a reel about why I started choosing small bananas over normal ones. Then pistachios are my recent craving, pomegranates are in season now, kiwis, I love kiwis. Then red onions for salad, they're incredible. Then fermented foods, seaweed, kimchi, and kefir. Then apple cider vinegar as a dressing for salads. Now I also switch things around, bought some red apples, but I usually buy green apples in larger quantities. Then was in the mood for mushrooms. I buy specialty mushrooms, they're really great. Actually had them today. Then I also buy heirloom tomatoes, really addicted to them. Then pears, watermelon, of course some peppers, gray sea salt, flax seeds for omega-3, walnuts as well. Dandelion greens, I buy 3-4 bunches of dandelions for a week. Then aromatic herbs, I buy a bunch of green onions, ton of parsley, I buy several bunches of them, and then dill as well. I add a whole bunch of parsley usually to my salad. And collard greens, then red chard is my recent craving as well. Then avocados. I try to buy different ripeness of avocados, mini cucumbers. I buy 2 packs and then ran out of cacao. Now pumpkin seeds, green lentil pasta is an incredible substitute for normal pasta. Spinach, I bought 2 bundles of spinach. Then purple top radishes.